Oh, okay, let's continue. Previously we stopped to take out the screw. Now we already take the screw, so we can use this neat screw now. Okay, let's start and using this remoter to adjust the needle screw. It's motorized needle screw. So motor reducer adjusting the screw. 然后我给大家试一下这个。
左右幅度大一点，其实你看着。
当然，对，我往这边拨哈，往这边拨 ，OK 对，你拍动的时候，手机就不要动。好，然后我来试一下，我碰这个是不是就停了？Let's try this limit switch。你往后一点。So it stop. This limit switch. This mechanical limit switch. When this touch here, it will stop. Okay, let's see another function. 好，
然后是上升，这个。
Now we press up, and you will see here inside there is a needle screw. It's under this cover. 能不能看出来上升？Now it raises slowly. When we actually doing the work of the welding, actually the moving is very slow. So now we are using the elevating just to show you the function.
可以试一下那个线位，最上面那个线位，红色的，对，这个亮灯的，那个是上升线位。
这个？
对。
那这个怎么碰啊？这个能碰吗？
不是，你可以用指头，好像指头不行，有一个铁片什么的挡住它，然后它就会停，或者一直推到那儿也可以看到。
不明白什么意思。这个 ，this is here is also limit switch。你来试试看，你怎么动？
得用那个。好的。那你来操作，我就拿个铁片给你打。再推一下，我试一下。
Okay, so it will first press this and then up number 3. This is limit switch. Oh. Okay. Then we lose. 我这。再降下来。降。Okay. And then we lower down.
你是不是推错了？你推的4号。
4号了 ，sorry。
然后一样的。
So the same function.
绑住。
Yeah. When the steel plate block the sensor.
不会动，然后松开，不会动。
Okay. So you got the idea.
中间这个是圆点线位，它负责那个一键回圆。功能需要用到它。
一键回圆。
对，这个功能过会儿再说吧。
好。
然后是回转。
Now we will show you the wheel rotating. When you turn on the wheel rotating, no need to press here. Just and then you will see.
它就直接开始转。
我把标志贴上。
估计得拍一下了。
李峰，你过来拍一下这个，先拍一下这上面。
OK.
Now we turn on the wheel. Here is the speed adjusting. The VFD speed. You can see the speed here. Hertz here.
越大速度越快。
这里是速度是吧？
这里是转速，这个是频率速
啊，都能显示。
对对对。啊，最大可以调到这个上面显示是50赫兹。
哦 ，the maximum is 50 hertz。50赫兹对应的是多大的速度呢？
就是满速，好像是1分钟1米吧，我记得。
这现在已经1分钟1米多了。
你再转回来，再转回来。我记不太清了，它这个
那看起来估计超过1米了。
倒着反转是吧？
这上面能看到吗？
这个其实它平常调了速度之后，基本上就不用动了。
这上面只有这一个界面是吧？
啊，对。然后这些就是这8个点就对应这8个。
哦。
现在是朝下。
哦，这样子就这样。哦。对。
好。还动吗？它调平。就是你现在已经
就是回到原位。对吧？原本位置。
对对。回原位的功能是，你可以选择手动来调，也可以。按键没有在上面的时候，你也可以选择就是一键回原点。
你开始了吗？好 ，So before we use, we will first reset the lead screw, the level, so we can do it manually or from here. 哪个是？
首先它是需要在联控状态下。
You need to be on the synchronized mode.
然后
this synchronized mode.
点击一下一键回原点。
And this button shows one key return original point.
然后它就会。
And then the level will be horizontal. Will go back to the starting point.
这个就已经在降了。
Now it's already lowering down now. Everyone is going back to the original station.
它只是降的比较慢。
这样可能看不到。It lowered down very slow, so maybe it's difficult. It's hard to see from video. So before we use,
当降到位的时候，它就变成就灭了。
照这个地方。When it go back to the original state, now you can see the alarm, red alarm is go off. That means it already level now, already go back to the original station. Okay. So after like this, 暂停一下。So it's very important before you use, you press the button on the PLC, the go back reset to original station. So you must press that button. After you press that button on the PLC, all the level will go back to normal. At the beginning, we saw that one already from going up, from up to down. But if we have like this one, it is down. Now it's going up. So first, it will going down and then go up. So when this light off, now it's okay. So I'm going to tell you again. If before we use, now we want to go back to original state. If the level is higher than horizontal, when we press the original state, it will lower down. But differently, if before we use the machine, this level is lower than the level. When we press the going back to original stage, it will going down until it touch the bottom and then go back to the horizontal level. So that's the difference. So after we set everything on the original state, we can manually adjust this laser now. When you put the tank here, we can adjust this later. Firstly, we will
推到弓箭，
哦
让它照在弓箭的那个侧面的那个
地上
截面上，然后
哦
这个照在那个弓箭的底部，
哦
这个传感器照在弓箭的底部。
So here has two sensors. First one and two. 这是边上，然后这是底部。This sensor will point the side of the tank. Here.
从下往上照的，照的底部嘛。
Here will point to the bottom of the plate of the workpiece. So it's like this, and here is like this.
合适位置之后，通过手动把这个冲光屏上的这两个值都调成0，就位置就准备好了，这个位置就可以了。就这两个值都调成0，这个位置就准备好了。
李峰照一下这边，来这边啊。So now 我们就是调这个滑块是吧？
对，通过这4个按键，然后上下左右。
Now we use these 4 buttons, up, down, left, and right, to adjust this cross slider, big cross slider, until these 2 digits showing 0. When they go to 0, and then it's okay position. The position is okay. Now, yesterday we have a tank. We already returned the tank. So now we show you without the tank, but you understand our idea.
你可以按一下，然后让它上下左右动一下。
Okay, now we can use the cross slider up.
速度比较慢，你可以调快。
See? 怎么调快？双击吗？
你手过来，你就不用，我就这样开着就行。啊，你走。
Now it's going up. The speed, you can adjust the speed on the screen. You can elevate it faster. Okay, this is up. Let's go down. Let's go. This stretch. Extension. This extension. And this is retracting. So after you adjust till this here,
两个是0。
both of them 0, and then the position is well set. 暂停。
现在它不是0，是因为那个没。OK。
So after here and here, the digit becomes 0, and then you press start, and then you can start to weld, and then the automatic anti-drift station will start to work. So that's it. That's the anti-drift rotator. It's a little bit complex. You need a well-experienced operator to use. But once you know the function, it's very convenient for the operator, very efficient for the welding of the tank. So we are one of the very few companies can produce this machine. So if you are interested, if you have demand, feel free to contact me. Thank you.